We have done previously Medical Science Congress under the aegis of Jammu Kashmir Science and Technology Innovation Council. They gave us initial funding, and similarly Agriculture University had their own agriculture science program. Now this year we thought, the Vice Chancellor of Agriculture University and myself on behalf of Jammu Kashmir Research Consortium, we thought, why don't we join these two congresses together. Why? Because Agriculture University is concerned with our health in many ways. So towards the goal of One Health, faculty, senior scientists presented lectures on the effects of agriculture sciences, for example, pesticide use, for example, the plastic use, for example, nutritional deficiency, some nutritional excesses, and their medical effects. While as on the other hand, medical scientists presented data on various cancers, various non-communicable diseases like hypertension, diabetes, which arise because of various agricultural practices currently in vogue. So we need to understand each other towards the goal of One Health, how they can provide us healthy foods and good quantity foods, high quality foods to us, and how we can avoid the use of toxicants and environmental pollutants to reduce the burden of diseases, both communicable and non-communicable, in this part of the world.
This program has a lot of research orientation. A lot of
Yes.
researchers can be involved, and this is an amalgamation, or this is a marriage of agriculture sciences and medical sciences. So how far do you think this is going to yield some benefits?
Our plan is that we will do same thing, one medical science, allopathic science with the Ayurveda. So next program will be like that. Then third one program we will have medical science with other sciences. There are so many of them, like fisheries, like we have sericulture, other programs, because those who are related to the human life, lifestyle, as those are related to the health of individuals.
This is very important initiative, and this first of its own, which has been started in J&K. The basic idea which we can transfer into action is that, suppose agriculture research institution is there, they have their own equipments in terms of research equipments. The tests which are carried in that equipment is sometimes utilized by Jammu Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences, medical colleges, and research scholars in the universities. So the collaborative effort is, there should be no duplication of efforts, no duplication of procurement process. The equipments and the research tools which are available with the Kashmir University, or for that matter any institution within the state, that is to be utilized. There will be a coherent this will be inventory, there will be a coherent approach, there will be a collaborative approach, and it will be enlisted, and they will notify this equipment, this machinery is available with this institution, and all those scholars or research scientists who require such types of tests with such type of equipments, they will go to that institution. That institution will allow, without any hassle, they will allow them that they can freely come in.
Would the government facilitate these kind of research?
Absolutely. Since I'm working as Secretary in the Administrative Reform and Trainings Department, the very important initiative of the government is that we want to reform the administrative reform. It's a broader term, and we also include trainings in the different spheres. And for that matter, we have invited them. We will have a joint meeting. We will have the meeting with the science and technology people, as well as agriculture people, as well as health people. Then we'll have a joint we'll develop some common minimum program, and they will give them formal so that it will be recognized. I have advised them to get this consortium registered properly, get NOC from the government, get accounts sanctioned, permission for opening the accounts, all those facilities. They have done the homework, and as on date, they don't have funding from any regular source. So they are pulling it somewhere within existing projects, which, like Professor Ashraf Ganie, he has some project. He's utilizing his manpower and his resources. So since the objective is very big, it's very big, and they need to have some recurring amount, some secretariat people, and they need to have some sort of security in terms of statutory security. The government has permitted them and what activities they are carrying. They are notified, and for that matter, I have requested them so we can have a joint meeting in the secretariat, and that will be put before the authorities, and we'll collaborate with them with full support. And all this will be in the legal parameters, and it will be definitely in the interest of the state, not only the UT, but for the whole country. It will be a sort of model. So what insight I got from today's interaction, it is a wonderful initiative. I really appreciate the efforts of the organizers and those who are the founding members of this.
Actually, we have started a Jammu Kashmir Research Consortium, Jammu Kashmir Ladakh Research Consortium, where 32 institutions of the UT of J&K and Ladakh have signed. So what we are trying to do in that platform, we are trying to understand each specialty, because during super specialization and diversification, various fields have lost insight into other programs. So we are trying to converge in this divergence the programs so that we understand each other's deficiencies and complement them, and also supplement the other fields.